Organizations globally are placing more and more focus on skills, what they are, how to track them, and how to use the data. To maximize the value of your skills and make informed business decisions, creating a sustainable program is key. Think of skills management as a complete business program made up of 4 processes: curate, assign, assess, and develop. Let's dive in. Curation is the development, maintenance, and evolution of your organization's skills framework. This is what makes sure the skills library and job roles are relevant to the business and involves reviewing, adding, or archiving content periodically to keep the framework up to date. Often, there are multiple individuals from across the organization owning these responsibilities. To ensure everyone is on the same page when gathering information, outline what good looks like at the beginning of the process so the data collected is useful to your teams. Assignment is the process of determining which skills are required for each employee based on their job role. In traditional programs, assignment is done manually by managers or employees. As organizations mature their skills management program, a digitized system is needed to automate the more complex skill and role assignments. Using a digital platform alleviates administrative burden and helps control the cost, which is essential in maintaining leadership support. Assessment is the evaluation of employees based on their assigned skills to determine proficiency levels. This process can look very different depending on how you structure your skills framework or the reasons for tracking the skill. Be sure to clarify who should be assessing and what should trigger the assessment. Here are a couple of examples. If skills inform the license to operate in potentially hazardous environments, a strict assessment process with highly qualified assessors would likely be required. In contrast, if skills are softer and used to inform employee-manager development conversations, employees could self-report their progress. In other scenarios, assessments could be driven by on-the-job training or tasks. No matter the assessment method, the key is to balance the rigor of assessment with the costs of putting that rigor into practice, to ultimately provide a reliable record of proficiency. Development is recognizing skills gaps, identifying opportunities to close those gaps, and then leveraging tools like mentors or on-the-job experiences and training to achieve the desired level of proficiency. Development is key in operational environments where a skills gap could increase the cost of poor quality or jeopardize the safety of the team. It's key that your employees, managers, and those responsible for driving development have access to accurate skills gap data and the tools needed to close those gaps. Each phase of the skills management process is critical in your program. If designed and implemented with your business needs in mind, your organization has the opportunity to leverage trusted skills data to identify talent and gain a better understanding of your workforce capability. Want to learn more about the skills management process or how a platform like Kahuna can support these functions? Talk with one of our skill advisors.